extraordinary day of human towers here in Vilanova La Geltrú during the Festa Mayor 2011. We have seen the Castells de Vilafranca building a 3x9 and Torre de No. We have seen the Cordial Tickets in Tarragona building a 3x8, I believe it was, and then 3x9. Here we have 4x9 on 4 de No, and Castells de Vilafranca. But on a very local level, we are also happy and celebrating because the local team, the Burgas de Vilanova, have built 5x7, a 4x7 with a needle, and we've just accomplished a Torre de 6, which for us is a major achievement. And it was the first time in 2 years we made that construction. By the Castells de Vilafranca, who are proving their extreme stability by building 3 constructions of 9 levels here today. And for the audience, for the spectators here in Vilanova La Geltrú, that is just such a nice thing to see. We're so glad to have them here. Human Towers in the Plaza de la Vila Vilanova La Geltrú, Pandes, Catalonia 2011.